that chat? Can you show me?
Yeah, I'll show you right now.
Yeah.
We have chat.
Yeah, please. Where is... No,
No,
where is that chat that my brother threatened her?
Instagram I have.
Show,
We will
please
you.
No, where is that threatening? I want to see that threatening.
ఆడియో మీరు లావణ్యతో
I will talk about this audio.
Go on, I'll show you in between.
Yeah, so this...
Is everything? Who is this? Mayank Malhotra.
Yeah, it's my brother, but where is the threatening? Show me the
There's a
threatening.
threatening all over. These many chats are there.
Show
no?
me the threatening, no.
This is what he says. No, I'll send you to jail. He went to the jail for what he did. There's a threatening over here, no?
He went to jail. There is another
No,
case.
He also says Himachal something
Where?
all the threatening.
You
is
read
there.
it properly and then
No,
say.
I read.
No. There is no threaten from my
Okay.
brother's side. Please read the chats carefully
we
and
have
then
it. Okay, go on.
please.
తోటి మీకు ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అయింది పరిచయం
We only met through our producer. We work together, and there is nothing between me and Raj Tarun. We are co-actors. We are like friends. We only talked about cinema, books, and nothing else.
ప్రొడ్యూసర్ తో కలిసి ఇద్దరు ఒకే ఇంట్లో ఉంటున్నారు అనేది అలిగేషన్
What?
ప్రొడ్యూసర్ డైరెక్టర్ తో కలిసి ఒకే దగ్గర ఉంటున్నారు అని చెప్పి ఆమె అలిగేషన్ మీ పైన
It's all false allegation.
ఇప్పుడు రాజ్ తరుణ్ లేకపోతే లావణ్య మీరు మీ ముగ్గురు మధ్యలోకి మీ బ్రదర్ ఎందుకు వచ్చాడు తను ఎందుకు చార్జ్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది
She contacted my brother. My brother never contacted her. And if you're talking about this audio, right? Listen to this audio carefully. I have said that it's your and Raj Tarun problem. Please solve it. And in the second audio, I said that in the same audio towards the end, I said that I haven't spoken to Raj Tarun from last 8 months. But whenever I'm talking for my thing, she is shouting. You listen to this audio carefully and then put blame on me because I haven't done any. Whenever she called me, I've always spoke politely to her and she abused me.
we are not blaming you
No.
What might be
I
the
want to
reason
keep my
she's
point.
calling you frequently because you're not part of anything?
She has a doubt on me that I'm dating Raj Tarun, which is not true.
Okay. There is also 2 photos released. No, what
That
are
is
those
cinema
photos?
pictures.
చాలా రోజులుగా బెదిరిస్తావంటున్నారు ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు వచ్చి కంప్లైంట్ ఇస్తున్నారు అవి ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత
What?
అంటే మీకు ఎప్పుడైతే లావణ్య మీకు కాల్ చేసి మీ పేరెంట్స్ కానీ లేకపోతే అబ్యూస్ గా మాట్లాడడం మీ బ్రదర్ ను
ఎప్పటి నుంచో
ఎప్పుడైతే
జరుగుతున్నాయి
threatening
అంటున్నారు కదా
చేశారు
లావణ్య కంప్లైంట్ ఇచ్చినాక ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు
I didn't complain because it's in a first Telugu cinema. I didn't want it to create any nuisance. I was very scared. My brother did a complaint in Himachal, but I was very scared because it's my reputation. And now I
9th June and May 9th, May 10th, 11th, 12th.
Where are you?
ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారు ఎందుకంటే కొన్ని స్క్రీన్ షాట్స్ కూడా లావణ్య మీడియాకి షేర్ చేసింది మీరు రాజ్ తరుణ్ తో పాటు కలిసి ఉన్నారు
Me?
హోటల్స్
me I was shooting in Chennai.
The Chennai hotel lo meer check in అయినట్టు ఇక్కడ ఎవిడెన్స్ కనిపిస్తుంది లైక్ రాజ్ తరుణ్ and you are 9th June 2 p.m. to Monday 10th June before 12 p.m. you all checked out. This is that.
It's all fake. It's all fake. I'm
And
not.
the edited picture.
I am shooting for my Tamil picture. You can ask my producers.
చెన్నై లోనే ఇది చెక్ ఇన్ అయినట్టు చూపిస్తుంది.
So I'm shooting.
రాజ్ తరుణ్ మెయిల్ తోని.
It's all fake. It's all fake. It's all fake allegations she has
ఏం
done.
కంప్లైంట్ చేస్తారు
Huh?
మీకు ఏం కంప్లైంట్ ఇచ్చారు
I complained that she tortured my family, me, and she has put false allegation on me, and it's a complete character assassination. And I will go to court to prove that I'm nowhere related to Lavanya. मैं उससे मिली भी नहीं हूँ. I have not even seen her face. Who is she? I have not even seen her in real life. Who is she?
Yeah. What if లావణ్య ఒకవేళ పూర్తిగా తను ఎవిడెన్స్ తో సహా మీడియా ముందుకు వచ్చి మీరు రాజ్ తరుణ్ ని డేట్ చేస్తున్నాను ఆధారాలతో తను మీడియా ముందుకు వస్తే మీరేమంటారు?
Show me the proof, no?
What will you say? What you will say? If she's coming with all the evidence to
Then
media,
we'll see, na. But I know there is no evidence.
you can't say that you're not in relationship.
We are friends. अगर actor बात नहीं करेंगे, we talk to each other. अगर co-actors बात नहीं करते, we talk to each other, right? So what is wrong in that?
Did police take complaint of yours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have submitted all the evidence. What she threatened my family, me, and everyone. So whatever complaint she put against me, she has done it.
పోలీసులు ఏమంటున్నారు ప్రస్తుతం?
What?
పోలీసులు ఏమంటున్నారు? What are the police saying?
Police will take it further. They'll investigate the case and they'll find out the truth. That's all they'll do.
అయితే మీ ఫాదర్ కి హిమాచల్ ప్రదేశ్ సీఎం నిజంగానే ఫ్రెండ్
It's all fake.
ఎందుకంటే ఒక సీఎం పేరు అంత ఈజీగా
It's all fake. It's all fake to spoil my father's reputation.
లావణ్యను చంపడమే కాకుండా
My father doesn't know who is Lavanya. It's all fake allegation. Prove it.
అంటే మీ ఫాదర్
Prove it. Please prove it. I'll request Lavanya, please prove that my family has threatened her. We'll take care of it.
ఓకే లావణ్య ఏం చెప్తుంది అంటే మీ ఫాదర్ కూడా తనతో ఫోన్ లో మాట్లాడి కొంత యాన్యుమనీ తీసుకొని వెళ్ళిపో రాజుని
Please prove. It's all fake. It's all fake. Nothing is true. And you're talking about the CM thing. My father is a businessman. We have no political connections. My mother, she's a government teacher. It's all fake allegations on my family and me.
సో రాజ్ తరుణ్ ను టార్గెట్ చేయడానికి మల్హోత్రా
She falsely allegated me in Raj Tarun's case. I have nowhere related to Raj Tarun.
రాజ్ తరుణ్ తో ఎంతో మంది హీరోయిన్స్ మూవీస్ తీసినప్పుడు మిమ్మల్ని మాత్రమే ఎందుకు కామెంట్ చేస్తా ఉంది? ఎందుకు మీ పేరు? ఏ బ్రదర్ ఆగు. రాజ్ తరుణ్ తో ఎంతో మంది సినిమాలు రాజ్ తరుణ్ తో ఎంతో మంది హీరోయిన్స్ నటించినప్పుడు ఒక మల్హోత్రా పేరుని ఎందుకు లావణ్య ఈ రోజు రేజ్ చేసింది?
I'm not understanding what you're saying.
हीरोइंस राज तरुण से एक्टिंग किया ना, आपका ही नाम क्यों आया बीच में?
मुझे क्या पता? I don't know what she has against me. I don't know what is her agenda behind it.
Why she targeted you?
You ask Lavanya. We'll find out why she's targeting
And
me.
while she was keep on constantly calling you, why didn't you take an action when someone stranger is calling to you and abusing you, threatening you? Why didn't you take any
I
action or
told Raj Tarun.
raise a complaint?
I told Raj Tarun about it. He asked me to block her. I blocked her. Then she called my parents and all of that. We wanted to complain, but my film promotion started and everything. I wanted to do it after my film release, but she did it.
లావణ్య అనే ఒక అమ్మాయి మీ పైన కంప్లైంట్ చేసింది నర్సింగ్ కేసులో. మీ పైన ఎన్నో ఆరోపణలు చేసింది. ఒక హీరోతో మీకు ఎఫ్ఐఆర్ ఉంది అని కూడా తను కంప్లైంట్ లో పేర్కొంది. దీనిపై మీరు ఏమంటారు?
I have nothing to do with Raj Tarun. We have worked together in a film. He's my co-actor. We were like friends, but she started torturing me and my family not to talk to Raj Tarun. So we did not spoke after the film shoot. And recently I started my film promotion. So again she sent abusive messages to my family and my brother. And she has put a false complaint on me and my brother that we threatened her. It's false, it's not true, and we have given all the proofs to the DCP and she'll take it further.
ఓకే మీరు ఆడియో లాంచ్ లో ఏదైతే ఒక వీడియో ఆడియో కూడా రిలీజ్ చేయడం అయితే జరిగింది, దాంట్లో మీరు లావణ్యతో మాట్లాడడం జరిగింది, అది నిజమే కదా?
I'll tell you. Yes, she calls me all the time. First time she called me in the month of September. During my last scheduled shoot, she called me first. Be careful. She called me first time, and after that she abused my parents. So me and Raj Tarun mutually decided like we will not talk to each other, and I want to know from where she got my dad's number. Is she tracking my call list? Is she tracking my phone? Please find out, because if she is doing that, it's a huge crime. I can put a cyber crime case on her. And after that, me and Raj Tarun mutually decided not to talk to each other because she is harassing me and my family. October, November, December, Jan, Feb, no conversation between me and Raj Tarun. March tarvata our promotion group WhatsApp lo JND and all the promotion started.